So, hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fit as a fiddle. What about you?
I am good, ma'am. You?
Yeah, I'm fit as a fiddle.
Okay. Ma'am, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Preeti and I'm a teacher. I work as a teacher in a private school. I'm from Haryana. If I talk about my educational qualifications, so I had done MBA, MA English, and BS. Apart from
Okay.
this, I run my two YouTube channel. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel,
Hmm.
and another one is Easy Way Vlog, that is my vlogging channel. That's
Okay.
all about me. Yeah.
I am Upendra Yadav from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. I am completed diploma in mechanical from Vijay Pratap Institute of Technology Management, Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh in 2014. Currently living in Navsari, Gujarat. I am
Mhm.
working in private company. My company name is Wari Energy Limited, Navsari, Gujarat.
Mm. Okay, that's great. Great to hear about you. Okay, so why you are learning English and why you want to be a fluent English speaker?
Ma'am, my English is very weak.
Then what is the need of like you are already working? Do you need English
Ma'am,
there?
I am already working, but English is most important in private company or life. So my English is very weak. So I am try to improve my English speaking, writing,
Mm-hmm.
conversation.
Okay. And what you do to enhance your speaking?
Sorry, ma'am.
What you are doing to enhance your speaking skill?
Hence, for vocabulary,
Enhance means
my
yeah, to improve your
assessment
yeah.
enhancements.
Enhance means improve.
Okay. Mm. So English is very weak. So I try and
I am asking what you are doing to improve your speaking skill. What you are doing. Which type of tricks and tips you are following to improve your
okay.
speaking.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am try basic English.
Hmm.
I am every day 15 to 20 minutes vocabulary is simple sentence,
Yeah.
model verb, conjunction.
Okay. You are working all those grammar. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Grammar
ma'am. My
topics
English
you
is
are
very
learning.
weak. Basic. Yes, yes, ma'am.
First, so don't repeat the sentence. My English is very weak. My English is very weak. Don't repeat it. Because once if you are repeating any negative thought, that will be freeze in your mind. So always, yes, always think and keep positive vibes, positive thought in your mind. I am a learner. Everyone is learning. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
no one is expert in this world. We all are learners. Somehow we can say like one, some person are on intermediate level, some person are on beginning level, and some are
Yes, ma'am.
expert here. But yes, we all are learner. Only a
Yes, ma'am.
learner can learn new things. So don't
Yes, ma'am.
repeat negative thoughts in your mind. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I was asking what type of tips you are following to improve your speaking. Like every day, how much time you do practice, and do you do speaking practice, and do you listen others conversation? Which type of practice you are doing on daily basis?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I am follow Hindi to English translation conversation every day, 2 to 3% and
Okay.
vocabulary sentence and conjunction.
So, you in your company, which type of language you are using there?
Ma'am, using Hindi language.
Hindi. Okay, Hindi is your native
Uh,
language also, no?
yes, yes, Hindi language used, but writing skills, preparation report, yeah, preparation report, my senior come to office, then he communicate to English. Any training, attend any training in
Hmm.
English. So my English is very weak. So I am try
Again,
for
you are repeating. Again, you
sorry,
are
ma'am.
repeating the same. Okay. First, remove this negative thought from your life, from your mind. I'm not poor in English. You should learn. Yes, I am a learner. And
Okay,
in
ma'am.
my childhood, I did not work on my speaking skill, but yes, now I understood what is the meaning, what is the real value of speaking skill. So that's why I'm working on my speaking right now. And I have to work and polish my speaking. First, you have, like you are at a beginner level. Suppose you are
Yes,
at
ma'am.
the beginning stage, so I think you should not start with Hindi to English translation. You should
Yes, ma'am.
start just with reading. If you have time, you have any book, you can purchase so in easy book, easy wording books like story books. You can purchase any junior class story books also. Any type of
Yes,
story book you can take and start reading from that. Once if you will be in the habit of reading, that will be beneficial for you. And second thing, you should listen every day, at least 1 hour. If you can take for yourself, you should listen others' conversations. Others' conversations means if you are not able to understand native speakers' conversation, then don't do that. But yes, there are so many Indian YouTubers available on YouTube. You can listen those conversations. Okay,
yes,
whose
yes, ma'am.
sentence structure is very easy because listening always comes first in the stage of four basic skills of learning. Listening is first, then you can imitate. Imitate in the sense you can copy those sounds, others' conversation, others speaking, and yes, after listening you can imitate, you can speak out in the sense whenever any person of your surrounding, like your friend, if able to speak English sentences, so try to communicate with your friend in English, like
Yes, ma'am.
any colleagues of you, because in starting if you will speak wrong sentences and suppose because our surrounding is like this type of person, na, they always ready to laugh at us. So
Yes, yes, ma'am.
never think they are laughing at me. Let them laugh, and never feel underconfident because I think this is the first and biggest fear we always fear in our mind. Like if I will speak wrong, if I will make wrong structure of sentence, so what others will do? They will judge me. They will find mistakes of me, and they will criticize me. They will laugh at me. So let them everyone they are free to judge, they are free to laugh, they are free to criticize you. Your first and foremost important work is you have to speak. Every
Yes,
day
ma'am.
you have to speak. At least start from today, half an hour, like 30 minutes. You can start with 30 minutes and try to speak as more as time you can take for speaking English.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose today you are not able to speak more and more sentences, but yes, after 1 month, 2 month practice, you will be able to speak
Yes,
confidently
ma'am.
and you will be able to speak good sentences. So today I'm giving you some small words, say like very easy words. You will frame sentence by using those words. Okay, are you ready
Okay,
for
ma'am.
that?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what is your qualification?
My qualification is diploma.
Okay. A diploma in engineering like J course.
Diploma in mechanical.
Okay, 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 okay. So my first word is school, school,
Spoon.
school, where we go for education.
Education. Okay, ma'am. I am completed 10th in Ganga Dulari Inter College, Pehtiya, Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
In 2010, my marks 51%.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And
So, mhm.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
And 12th is Khaki Baba Siddharth Inter College from Gazipur, Uttar
Mhm.
Pradesh. My
Mhm.
marks 56%.
Okay, good, no
Diploma.
problem. Mhm. Okay, I don't know about your job profile. My second word is friend. Friend. Use this word in more and more sentences. Friend. What is a friend
Friend.
for you?
So my friend is Abhinav Singh. He is working as a senior engineer,
Mm-hmm.
and he is very good person. He belong to Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
I I now for last 4 years.
You are you are speaking like really a student.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
feeling
ma'am.
like my student is okay. Okay, no problem. Actually, I just want to ask, try to utilize this word. I'm not asking the like crammed paragraph about my best friend, which
Yes, yes,
we
ma'am.
have already learned in our childhood. I'm not asking about that. Use this word, friend. What is a friend, according to according to you?
Okay. Friend is इंग्लिश में थोड़ा कन्वर्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम है हो रहा है.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Just that's why I'm not speaking because I will, if I will speak continue na, then you will speak only yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, like a student, obedient student. So that's why I'm giving you some words so that you will put pressure on your mind and then try to frame sentences. This is the biggest reason. That's why you are not able to speak out because you are not trying. You are thinking
Yes,
like other person will speak, and this is not a conversation. You know what is a conversation? That can be a single monotonous. Monotonous means boring. If
okay.
one person is continue speaking and another person is saying no, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, so that is a, single side conversation.
हाँ, yes.
If
Yes.
yes, if the conversation is between two person, I think both should take the initial in the stand, both should speak. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why I'm giving you some words. Okay, according to your choice, choose any word on which you can speak out. Any word from your dictionary, your mind.
Any word.
Yes.
So मैं
Like in the morning, what you eat? In
sorry
the
ma'am.
morning, in breakfast, have you taken breakfast today?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. In breakfast, what you eat?
I am taking breakfast 8 a.m. in morning. I was मैम ये तो मतलब past में चला. I was taken breakfast 8 a.m. Then
Uh-huh.
I am
I'm
ready.
not. Don't listen. Listen. Don't put pressure about tenses. Okay. First, don't try to construct tenses and difficult sentences. Don't put pressure more and more. First, very fluently, very easily, we will take just very easy steps like only easy words we will take. Easy words in the sense breakfast. Breakfast is a word. Okay. So, can you
Okay.
use breakfast word in two, three sentences? Breakfast. Can you utilize this word? Use this word in two, three sentences? Breakfast.
1 minute, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
yes. I have one word, breakfast. Can you able to use this word in two, three sentences? Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, which time you take your breakfast? So whenever
okay.
you tell about your routine activity, try to use these and always try self-talk. Self-talk in the sense what you do every day. Try to make sentences in your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Never think what other will think about me, what other will if I will speak wrong sentence, and if I will not be able to speak out, what others will think and speak in that case. So remove that hesitation, and first and
And
foremost important thing is speak out. Okay, speak out more
okay.
and more. Yes, only speaking is the one and one. This is the one solution for your all problems. You have to speak out.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any question, or shall we wrap up the session?
But ma'am, I want to next session in Sunday.
Um, if I will be free, I will definitely text you because on Sunday, usually I take 3 to 4 sessions. Already I take. Yes, every Sunday I take this, and on regular basis I always take 1 or 2 sessions because I'm a teacher, so I usually get free after 4 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, please
So
remind
okay,
me by text.
I
Yes.
okay, ma'am. I am started learning in basic
Mhm.
sentences and try speaking.
Yeah, this is the
Okay, ma'am.
important. No book. If you want to purchase any book for that, you can purchase, but don't try to indulge yourself. Indulge means actively. Don't take part in Hindi to English translation. Directly start English. Directly in the sense you can start with easy sentences. There are every type of sentence structures around us. So whenever you connect with, try to do conversation, more and more conversation with others, like whenever you get chance, because if you are in Skype group, so there are so many learners available. You can talk with anyone anytime whenever you free. But yes, try to speak out more and more, at least 1 or 2 hours in a day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Upendra, now we are going to wrap up this session because it will be a very long, and I had one another session also this time. So thank you so much for connecting me. I hope you will be try more and more from
Thank
today.
thank you, ma'am.
And yes, okay. So thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.